Okay, we're going to get week 16 update on 𝐂𝐻𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓 25-26 collaboration. So we've got this 4-foot tall tomato plant back here. Look how big that is. It is 4 feet tall. It has never put out a bud, no flower, no tomato. It's done nothing but continue to grow taller. Now, maybe at some point it's going to bud, but right now it has not. Then we've got our yellow and our orange tomatoes right here. We've got this one right here. I don't know which is which, but we've got it rooting up here in the middle. Now, I've never seen that. It's very odd. It does have flowers on it. There are no tomatoes growing on this. Here's another one that's got budding. It's got flowers, but no tomatoes. There's another one back here, budding and flowers, no tomatoes. And we're on week 16, 4 months into this. And then we've got this one back here that's starting to get some budding on it. No tomatoes. So week 16. So we literally just have 4 weeks left of this collaboration. And I haven't gotten a tomato yet. So, not sure what to think about that. They smell good. Now, they're supposed to be like cherry tomatoes. But, they've gotten so big, I need to probably up-pot them again, but I just don't want to do that. I don't know that I want to up-pot them into anything bigger. They're not doing anything right now. And as big as they are, I should have had tomatoes by now. Anyway, that's going to be the update for week 16 of 𝐂𝐻𝐍𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓 25-26 collaboration with Gail at Gail Southern Living and Carol with Broke But Bountifully Blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on week 17.